So YouTube, I'm back with the follow-up from my competition's estimate. So in me just checking the exhaust system, now I'm underneath the car working on it. Absolutely no mention that the frame's rotted out on their car. Of course, I'm gonna let this customer know that he has frame rot and it's not good. But they didn't even mention, hey, Mr. Customer, you may wanna get the frame repaired, or you may not wanna get too deep in working on this car, or maybe you do, but my advice to you is that a rotted out frame is not good. All I'm saying is present the whole story. I had a manager here years and years and years ago that he would never present the whole story to the customer. And I said, Kev, just focus on the original request on why they're here. The exhaust system, it's a system, braking system, electrical system, whatever it is. This what needs to be done in the exhaust system, this what needs to be done in the brake system, whatever. No, he would just go for the absolute minimum repair of that system and not let them know what else is wrong in that system, let alone let them know what's wrong with the rest of the vehicle when there's tons of other needed repairs. Needed legitimate repairs. We don't chase maintenance items here. We don't chase air filters and fluid flushes and all that nonsense. There is enough needed required repairs on the vehicles that I service that you don't need to twist and wring out someone's wallet for another $1,000 or $2,000 in unneeded maintenance at this point in time. Safety repairs before maintenance repairs. That's been my motto. What's up? AC compressor on a Jeep. Parts are here. Some people think that you're ripping the customer off. No, you're, as a technician, a good one at that, you are a reporter. You're reporting conditions to the customer of what's going on with your vehicle. And I think, and I do believe that people want to know that. Like, hey, is this car safe? Is it going to break down? Is my belt going to fly off? Is my battery going to go dead? Is my tires going to go blow out because they're so consumed in their life and social media and whatever else is going on that they don't know what's going on with their vehicles. They have no clue. I love this guy, Frank. Come on, Frank, you got it. Yes, I let my customers that I've been dealing with for 30 years drive their vehicles into my shop. These guys work at shops and I've been dealing with them forever. Right on a lift so we can get started. Morning, Frank. So, that's all. Report the whole story to the customer. If they cop an attitude and say, I'm not there for that, all right, just put a smile on your face and say, your choice, have a nice day, but at least you know what's going on with your car. Feel confident in your years of experience and knowledge.